Looking for the best moisture meter? In this video, we'll cover the best moisture meters for accurate readings on wood, walls, flooring, and more, helping you detect moisture fast and avoid costly damage. Starting at number 1, Protimeter BLD5365. The Protimeter moisture meter, available in gray, black, and yellow, features dimensions of 2.75 inches in width and 1.9 inches in height, with a weight of 225 grams. It operates using alkaline batteries and offers two modes, a pinless search mode and a pin-type measurement mode. Designed for durability, it includes a large backlit display for easy readability. The device allows for non-invasive moisture measurement up to 3/4 inch 20 mm below the surface, making it versatile for various applications. Additionally, it supports a wide range of accessory plugins and comes with an industry-leading 2-year warranty, ensuring reliability and customer satisfaction. Number 2, Dr.meter Pinless Moisture Meter. The MD918 Wood Moisture Meter by Dr.meter is a non-invasive and non-marring device designed to provide accurate moisture readings without damaging furniture or valuable objects. Utilizing HF electromagnetic waves, it eliminates the need for drilling holes, thus simplifying the measurement process. This meter boasts high precision and wide compatibility, allowing users to measure various types of wood with 10 unique grades of timber density and a maximum error range of 4% to 80%. It features temperature compensation, ensuring that the object being tested remains at a consistent temperature for at least 5 minutes to enhance reading accuracy. Additionally, the MD918 includes a power-saving mode with an intelligent auto-off function that activates after 5 minutes of inactivity. Its ultra-large LCD screen ensures clear visibility of readings, even in low-light conditions, while a calibration indication feature helps maintain measurement accuracy. Number 3. General Tools MMH800. The General Tools MMH800 is a versatile moisture meter designed for both pin and pinless measurements, making it an ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This device not only provides accurate moisture readings, but also features built-in temperature and humidity sensors, allowing users to assess environmental conditions effectively. With its user-friendly interface and reliable performance, the MMH800 is perfect for applications in construction, woodworking, and agriculture, ensuring that materials are at optimal moisture levels for various projects. Whether you are checking the moisture content of wood, drywall, or other materials, this moisture meter offers the precision and convenience needed for successful results. Number 4. Calculated Industries 7440. The product is a multicolored digital moisture detector by Calculated Industries designed to help users find hidden leaks in walls and surfaces, thereby preventing potential damage to their homes. It measures moisture levels in various materials such as wood and concrete, ensuring that firewood is ready to burn by indicating moisture content levels as low, 5 to 11%, medium, 12 to 15%, or high, 16 to 50%. This tool is particularly useful for checking lumber and hardwood, ensuring that dry wood is used for construction and woodworking projects to avoid issues like cracks, splits, and warping. The device features a large, easy-to-read backlit screen and a sturdy body that feels solid when pressing pins into materials. It also includes practical features such as moisture level indicators with icons and audio alerts, an automatic shutoff function, built-in calibration test pins, and comes with a 9V battery included. The product dimensions are 2.5 inches wide by 1 inch high and it weighs 0.4 pounds. Number 5. Klein Tools ET140. The Klein Tools Moisture Meter is a versatile water leak detector designed to measure relative moisture content in various building materials, including drywall, masonry, hardwood, and softwood. Utilizing advanced electromagnetic field (EMF) technology, this pinless meter can non-destructively detect moisture up to 3/4 inch deep. It features a reverse contrast display for easy reading and includes 9 LED bars that indicate moisture levels. The full-feature tool also offers additional functionalities such as a hold feature, low battery indicator, and auto power off. This complete moisture meter kit comes with a meter that has 2-meter drop protection, a 9V battery, and an instruction manual, making it an essential tool for anyone needing to assess moisture levels effectively. With compact dimensions of 2.5 wx1h, it is designed for freestanding use.